Hi, welcome to my tutorial. I'm going to show you today how to make a bride and groom, a boy and a girl, and gingerbread people, all using the FMM gingerbread people cutter set. We're going to start with the bride and groom. The recommended paste is modelling or gum paste. You need flesh, white, grey, black and pink. Roll out the flesh coloured paste and cut out 2 of the large gingerbread person shapes. Using your decorating strip, cut out a white dress, a black waistcoat and 3 pink bows. Roll out grey modelling paste and cut out just the bottom half of the gingerbread person. Roll out black modelling paste and cut out the bottom third of the gingerbread person. Trim your cutouts to size, just like the photo. Cut 2 small pieces of white modelling paste for shirt sleeves for your groom. Assemble your bride and groom, attaching the decorations with water or edible glue. The bride and groom look fantastic as cake toppers on top of this fun wedding cake, and I've also made a mini bride and groom for the cupcakes. We're now going to make some gingerbread children. I've used the small set to make the boy and the girl. Roll out the flesh, blue and yellow modelling paste and cut out 2 of the flesh gingerbread person shapes. Using your decorating strip, cut out a blue dress, a yellow waist jacket, 2 blue bows and 1 yellow bow. Roll out the blue modelling paste and cut out half of the gingerbread person in blue. Cut your shape into 3 sections. You can do this with a kitchen knife or a modelling tool. Attach the decorations to your gingerbread children with water or edible glue. They look great on cupcakes and cookies. We're now going to make the gingerbread people. You need orange, red and green modelling paste. Cut out 3 gingerbread cutouts. Cut out a waistcoat, a bow, a dress and 3 green bows. Attach the decorations with water or edible glue. I've used sugar balls for the buttons and the eyes. This is one of my favourite Christmas cakes I've made. I also think they look great on a cupcake. If you've enjoyed my tutorial today, please give me a thumbs up. If you'd like to be kept up to date with new tutorials, please hit the subscribe button and thank you for watching.